Oh, you keep catching me at my work table when I'm back at the home base here. Well, today I thought, in between all the activity planned, I thought I'd review this all-in-one grooming kit I was sent by a company just out of the blue. They're not sponsoring this video, but they were kind enough to just send it to me and get my feedback on it. So I told them, yeah, sure, I'll check it out and give you an honest reply as to what I think of it after having used other smaller kits you can get at like PetSmart and stuff like that. Here's the kit, but this thing is packed with all kinds of things that I've had to buy separately in the past. Here is the pamphlet on the grooming kit showing all the parts, and of course the best thing I think is it's all in English. It's not one of those manuals that has like a half a dozen languages you got to go through to find English, but this shows you all the parts and what they're used for and how to plug things in. This shows you how to take the clear canister off and then dump out the dog hair that it's collected after grooming. Shows you the controls on the main power unit and the different speeds it has. And this goes into detail about every item there, what it's used for and how to use it. I thought this was a very nicely well explained manual on all the parts in well written English. Okay, Kate, you okay? You ready? Let me show people how this works on you. Okay, first of all, I got the groomer out. Turn the power on. We're on power 1. We'll go to power 2 because she's thick-haired. And I just rake this across her body. Hi, Kate. It doesn't bother her at all. Just rake it across. Yeah, Kate. You don't push hard at all. You don't want to disturb any skin under the hair, of course. It just takes a little combing, like you comb your own hair. You can see it's starting to collect. So I'm going to push this button here. Whew, it's gone. We just keep this up for a while. Now, Kate, with such long hair, it takes a while, but here, boom, it's gone. So that's how that works. There's the hair in the collector. Now, let's get the de-shedder out. To take this off, I just push this button here, pops right off. The stand here has indentations shaped to fit the different items so they don't fit anywhere else. So now I'll get the de-shedder out, which is a pretty wild looking comb. Okay, Kate. Now this pulls a little bit more because it's really trying to get all the loose hair out off the dog's coat. That's going to end up on your clothes or your furniture. Okay. See, it doesn't bother Kate at all. It's like getting the back scratched. You see that? You just push the button and it pops it out, goes right in. You just keep doing that. So, and then I just push the button again. pushes those out, and the suction brings it right in. This contraption here is for trimming hairs on their toenails and foot pads. This has a battery pack in it, so you can use it without plugging it in. Of course, then it's just going to have hair all over the place. So I've got it plugged into the unit, so it sucks the hair it cuts up. And I push the button here on the side, and it starts. And it locks in place, so I don't have to hold my finger on the button, but it can just very carefully trim the hair off your dog's nails in between its fingers or its toes, and then you can see the darn nails to trim. So that's that gadget. And like I said, it has a battery pack in here, right here, 2 AA's, and you can use it like hands, like so, but use it like this, you're going to have hair all over the place. So, okay, to take this item off, which we use for the in between the toes and the foot pad, you have to grasp this and turn it rather firmly. There's a little copper rod up there that will pop off or stay in, and you just have to turn this, and it's a little firm. There. I'm just being careful because I don't want to bust the darn thing. But you pop up this part. You got the little brass ball and peg there that make it work. And then you take the part that's for nail grinding with a little trim stone there, whatever they call it. And you pop that in there. And you just got to play with it till you get it right where it belongs and snap it right into place. This is the nail grinder that came with this all-in-one kit. And I'll turn it on. And that's it. Now it only has 1 speed. And this is the Dremel tool I've been using. And this is like low, high, high, high. Sounds like an angry bee. Kate really doesn't care for that. So let's try this. I'm not going to plug it into the host, which is the main unit here. I'm just going to turn on this. See the sanding stone twirling. And we're going to see if she likes this better. Hey Kate, can we trim your nails? You're not too sure about that, huh? Come on, Kate. Let's try this one. It has this little lip here that you can rest the nail on, like my fingernail there, and then just lightly push it into the grinding wheel and grinds it off. I haven't used this on Kate much. She's still getting used to it. And voila, that's your 2-piece unit, one for foot pad and toe cleaning, and then the snap-on for the nail grinding. And then we have the official groomer right here. To put this on, I took off the plastic shield. It's got grooves here. It's got grooves in the teeth here. I put that over there, push down, and snap it into that area here so it's on firm. I think I don't have this on quite well because it's rattling. It's not snapped in there correctly, but okay, I popped it off. You just lift up this little lid here, and I can dump this out into the garbage. This has a part that comes out. It's got a HEPA filter in it, and it's really good. You can see, I believe these can be washed and dried as per instructions. And then you just put them back in there. I think I had this in backwards last time. But yeah, I'm going to go dump this and then just snap it back in. And I think I'm going to call that a demo. So, what did Kate and I think of this all-in-one pet grooming kit we were sent to test out? I must say I was pleasantly surprised by it. I thought it was built well and functioned well and did a good job on Kate's Border Collie coat. Kate, what did you think about that? You seemed to take it quite well, just like you were having your back scratched or something. Huh? And you came out of it looking better, didn't you? So, I guess I'm going to get back to my plans and maps. Be working on getting those videos out of all the upgrades I've had done to my rig for the past 6 years. I think you'll find those very interesting, and there's things that I believe you could do to any RV or camper van. So, as Kate and I always say, we wish you happy trails and woof woof.